right, so we're on our way to Greenware, which is a computer store. We're looking for T1 wire, and we're looking for a splicer connection, and maybe even a Wi-Fi signal repeater so we could put our new surveillance camera or security camera up. It's wireless and it's solar with a battery. So we're approaching Greenware. I'm not sure they're open yet because we're here kind of early, but we'll take a look. It's Sunday morning. Oh, I'm using the new gimbal.
There's an Ormuknet.
What?
We can buy.
Oh yeah, let's go in there.
Okay.
Are they open?
Yes.
They look like they're open.
Open.
Yeah, we'll go search around, see where we can find it. I'm using the new gimbal, the DJI, the starter model gimbal, so I can get the hang of using a gimbal. It was very reasonably priced. Could not resist the temptation to buy it through Amazon, and it got to the Philippines in less than 5 days from Chicago. Chicago. That's pretty amazing.
We can park here.
It says no parking. Not allowed. You know, but this is the Philippines, you know? You can park wherever you want. Who's gonna tell you you have to move?
I'm not gonna park without.
Ay, watch out for the seniors. We don't want to take somebody out before it's their time.
Maybe they're going now.
Someone's leaving? Oh yeah. Yeah, so we'll see this gimbal and how it works. Oi. Oi. I need to reorient it. Hey, this is pretty cool. Did you see that? I just pushed the button twice and it went upright. It spun around when I moved the gimbal this way. Yeah, so look, you got a little toggle switch here on this gimbal, and you can go left, right.
There's the joystick.
Yeah, it's a joystick. It's like a video game. You can go up, whoa, you can go down, and then you have close up. Whoa, it connects to your Bluetooth. You have to download the app. Oh, close up is here. I pushed the wrong button. No. Oi. No. That's not working right. I'll have to figure out what's going on there. But anyway, it's supposed to give you a smooth close-up picture, you know, hassle-free. Oh, man, Minnie. Impatient. Get out of the car, let's go shopping. Okay. I'm gonna get out right now, okay? I'm gonna get out. Give me Give me 2 seconds. Whoa, damn. Where's he going? Fernandez Hollow Block. Let me get out, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'm getting out. You have here. I'm having all kind of fun with the little joystick button. I do apologize for having fun. All right, so Jill has backed that bad boy in there. We're ready to go. We're ready to go find stuff we need. Hey, you have plenty of money on you? I need to borrow.
Yeah. Atras. Atras pa.
You better watch out, because security's watching you, Jill. He's gonna write you a ticket. Security is watching. Woo. Folks, I could see it's gonna take a little bit of practice to do this here. All right, where we go? Over on the other side. Okay, those people in that cell phone store, they tried to sell me a Reno 12 Pro Oppo the other day. It's reasonably priced. It seems like a better phone than this 11 Pro, but I'm not sure. There's the Dunkin'. It is noisy in the Philippines. Greenware or the other one?
Greenware.
Let's go. Aren't they more like the phone people over here, or the hardware people?
The Ormoknet.
Ormoknet? Oh, for repeater. They have printers and things in there. Let's go in there. They probably have T1 line. How are you today? Is it okay if I put you on YouTube? Hey, do you guys have T1 connection wire, internet wire, the yellow or the white? 25 feet.
LAN wire? Just like this.
Yeah, LAN's wire. Do you have that?
That's 18 pesos per meter.
Okay, how many do we need? How many meter? 25 feet. A meter is what, 3 feet? 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 10 meter. They're open early on Sunday. Boy, these people, they're enterprising. There's Dan and Minnie.
It's 9:43.
Dan and Minnie, was that you and your friends and Jill out there singing and dancing last night?
Yeah.
Yeah? You were having a good time? Drinking Emperador or beer? San Miguel or Red Horse? Yeah. I think they were all out there having a good time. I heard singing until at least, what, 10 o'clock?
11.
11. 11, Jill says. Oh, they have scan disc in here. Which one is the one for cameras? I'll have to ask them about
So I
that.
no longer buy the repeater.
Do you see anything? A signal booster? Do you sell signal boosters?
Oh, we don't have to. Only a repeater, Wi-Fi extender.
Hmm?
Only a repeater or Wi-Fi extender.
A Wi-Fi extender, yeah. How much are those?
We have 750.
$7.50 for Wi-Fi extender.
The cheap one, 750. Over there's
Yeah, I like a good deal, but I'm not sure. He said the cheap one. I'm like everybody else. I like a deal, Joe, but he said cheap. $7.50 for cheap. How much is if we want to hardwire it in, how much is a router?
router.
Yeah.
We have 1,150.
See,
Link.
it's better to run the router, yeah, than it is the Wi-Fi.
So you are the only one put this here, or?
No, both
Yeah.
sides. It's nice to know they're here. Look, they have camera, Wi-Fi cameras, broadcasting cameras. I did not know. They have USB hub. They have all kind of thing here. Universal adapters, power banks. Man, Bye City Leyte is like turning into the big city.
Yes, ma'am.
Tatlong ba hindi kayo Ormoknet?
Branches na may driver.
Yeah, it's Ormoc Net. We don't have to go to Ormoc. We just come here.
Bye-bye net.
Oh yeah, don't leave without Pam. 300 peso. 1,
The one this card is
2, 3.
There you go, sir. We could pick it up in the States over there because they're easy to find.
Because you
In the electronics store.
you can put on that today.
We're gonna put it on today, but I don't need to use
Oh,
my
yeah, maybe.
computer
Okay.
today.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because we're leaving.
Yeah, you can wait till
Yeah.
we can buy.
I could pick it up in the
We could
States.
buy over there.
Right. I could go to Best Buy. They have Best Buy in the USA.
Yes. I'm gonna
So we got
go
the
shopping.
line, but they don't have the splicer, the connector. Or I'm saying it wrong. That's what the communication is. I'm saying it wrong. It's not a splicer. He's the splicer.
So
I'm talking about
Thank you.
the thing that connects them together. All right. Well, thank you so much for your help. Bye, everybody. Have a nice day. Have a nice Sunday. I bet you those computer guys have it over at Metro, but let's check here first at Greenware. Let's see if Greenware has it.
Carrier chins.
Okay. LBC moved. They're on Bonifacio Street, number 9. This is going to be the extension of Palawan. They're building a big super center here. Big superstore. They're going to have to hire 2 security. They're going to need more security help, right? Because it's a big store. Yeah, really big. All right, we'll go in here. Sunday. They're not Sunday? They might have it. They have all kind of gadget over there. Let me see the ends. Who do we have that wants to help us? Who do we have that wants to help us? Are you regular employee or intern? Are you interning or are you regular employee? Okay. Yeah, I see, because you're wearing the Greenware uniform. I should have known. Okay, see, we're trying to connect these 2 ends together. We have one end that we're trying to connect to another end at the house. So that means that we need a female connector that connects these 2 together.
Yeah, you need a coupler for this.
Coupler. That's it. It's called a coupler.
Coupler.
Yeah, if you have 2 couplers, I'll buy 2. One to use and one to lose. Let's see what you...
Is that Rick? Is that the one?
Yeah, this will work.
I thought you said you're going to buy in the States.
This one, actually. Go ahead, can you put it in there so I can... It's a T1 connection, right?
Oh, I see.
How much is this?
It checks out.
Okay, because we might get 2 of them. See, look.
So you're not need to buy in the States.
No, it's right here.
150.
Huh?
150 pesos?
Ooh.
How many you want?
Ooh, just one.
Just
Yeah, it's expensive. I didn't know it was going to be so expensive. 150. 150. I'm back in business in my room, and let's see. I have right here peso.
You need one only?
Just one only, yeah. They're expensive. They're expensive. Whew. 150 would be $3, something like that. 1, 2, 3 American.
2. 3.
3, yeah. Here you go, Minnie. I got it. All right, we're all set. Now we just have to find somebody willing to install the camera. And so why we have this line and that connector is we want everything as much as possible hardwired in instead of using wireless repeaters and signal boosters, because they can be unreliable at some time. And when we put in this camera, it's wireless. We don't want to have 2 or 3 wireless breaks in the system. One is enough. One from a hardwired router to the wireless camera is what we're trying to achieve. So inside the house, we actually will be using 2 routers hardwired. And then one of those routers will be connected to the wireless security camera. All right, so in order to install this wireless camera, I'll show it to you in a minute. We ran that blue line that we just picked up at the computer store. We hardwired it, ran it over here behind the TV stand here, around that lamp and bench, to this router. I was using this router in the room, but I just decided that I'm going T1 connection instead of, I'm going hardwire instead of using the router, the wireless router. So that gets the signal closer to the camera, which is going to be going up over here.
Right there.
Right underneath the eave, right? And so here's the camera. We have somebody here who's volunteered to install it for us. He's here now. This camera was not that
This is the
expensive.
apps you need to install.
Okay. On our phone?
Yeah.
It's called what?
Oh,
Ocam Pro?
yeah.
Ocam Pro app, so that we could see what's going on. Can you help me set it up after he gets it
Yeah.
installed? And then here's the solar panel
the
here.
kid if you wanted to.
So it's solar, it recharges the onboard battery. It is night vision. It does not look like, does it have a speaker? Does it have audio? Did you guys
Maybe,
check it out?
maybe.
It looks like it might have audio.
Yeah, it might have. So let's see.
We'll find out and we'll let you guys know if it has audio, but it looks like it does. Hey, get off my lawn! Get off my rock, youngster! I love getting old. Jill and the installer. What's the installer's name? Is that your friend?
Yeah, that's the what do you call that one?
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
not the owner, but it's the
Yeah.
what do you call that one? The batos.
Okay, well, anyway, he's here. He's going to install it. He's got all
You
the
know,
tools.
That guy knows.
And he'll get it running, and then we'll download the app, and we'll see how the thing works. All right. Camera right here. Probably has audio because I see it's got a little speaker thing there. And then you got your little antenna, so you can pick up that signal. I also like the fact that it's black. You know, because it's black, then people will see, oh, they got a security camera over there. Don't mess with them. And also, you'll see the lamps. I don't know if you can see the lamps over there. They're also black, and so it's matching. See that? Those pedestal lamps? Where's the other one? Behind that bush right there. Anyway, that's about all I have to offer up right now. The installer's putting the camera in. Jill is figuring out how the app works. All is working just fine. I like the way it works. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one.